social media lights. Here we are this afternoon at Wilson Park in beautiful downtown Davenport, Florida. Here's this American flag. It's flown and dedicated in honor of James R. Hendrix, U.S. Army Congressional Medal of Honor recipient, World War II Battle of the Bulge, December 1944. There I am in shadow form, and there's President Truman and Mr. Hendrix himself. So again, this is Wilson Park here in Davenport, Florida. It's a little roadside park, got a little splash pad, places to have lunch and the picnic tables. Can't bring your pets or your skateboard though, no, not yet. Wilson Park was dedicated in 2013. Nice little place to get off the highways and byways. Maybe have a little picnic lunch. Maybe if you're so inclined, have a little birthday party. Yeah, beautiful Florida trees. Splash pad. You can come out here in your swimmies. Beat the heat for a little bit. Again, I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies. Welcome you to Wilson Park here in Davenport, Florida. Just taking a walk around the local area, see what we can see, and show you around the little spots again that you drive by a million times and never get out and walk around. We encourage you to walk around, but today we'll give you a virtual tour of such things. Butterfly in the sky, I can fly twice as high. Take a look, it's in a book, reading rainbow. And I can do anything. Friends to grow, things to show, reading rainbow. Reading rainbow. Well, even dreams of the child can come and go here in beautiful Davenport, Florida. Lori Wilson Park. Not Lori Wilson, just Wilson. Lori Wilson Park is in Cocoa Beach. We do have some public restrooms here at Wilson Park, water fountains, and a couple rules here for the splash pad. No rough play, no food, and don't use if you got diarrhea. You can go to where all the different fruit products were made here, and right on the other side of other side of Wilson Park, I keep wanting to take you to Cocoa Beach. Wilson Park is where Golden Holly was. Yeah, Holly Hill Fruit Products Incorporated, Davenport, Florida. Citrus Label Tour. Wilson Park. All right, social media lights, that's going to do it for today's mini adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying, pull off the side of the road, check out your little parks, your little areas that you drive by all the time. Get out, take a look around, bring yourself a picnic lunch, and see what it's all about. Until then, call off the Marines. We're coming home. Yeah. If you're sliding in the first and you feel something burst, diarrhea, diarrhea.